Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get these items in Heartopia. So these are called the purchase points items. If you go to this area and you select this arrow, you can see the items you're able to get um, once you've reached a certain purchase point. I currently have 2,140. The biggest purchase point you can get is 100,000. It will cost a lot of money, so I don't suggest you doing this, but you are able to get these items. So 2,880, you'll get this like cat accessory, and then you'll get, I think, just like the stocking part, and then you'll get the hair, and then you'll get the wings, then you'll get the dress, and then you'll get the dance here. This is what the dance looks like, and you'll get like this kind of ID card. Then you'll get the wand. Then you'll get the like mailbox. And then last but not least, you'll get the motorcycle and the helmet. My friend has the outfits. I don't know if he's reached the points to get the motorcycle yet. I'm not sure if he even plays this game anymore. But yeah, that is pretty much it really for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Oh, also to get it, obviously you'll need to purchase the, sorry, I might be unclear on that. You'll need to purchase the heart diamonds here, and they'll give purchase points. I don't know how many diamonds are one purchase points, but yeah. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.